Even if you offered him every single Bitcoin in the world for a measly 25 bucks, Warren Buffett still wouldn't bite. Warren Buffett, the legendary Oracle of Omaha, has shared some pretty strong thoughts on Bitcoin. Buffett says that if you owned all the farmland in the US and offered him a 1% interest for $25 billion, he'd write you a check by this afternoon. If you owned all the apartment buildings in the country and offered a 1% stake for another $25 billion, he'd cut you a check for that too. It's as simple as that. But if you held every Bitcoin in existence and offered it all to him for just $25, he wouldn't take it. Why? Because he wouldn't know what to do with it. All he could do is sell it back to someone else looking for the same thing. It doesn't actually do anything. Meanwhile, an apartment generates rent and a farm produces food. He joked that if he owned all the Bitcoins, since Satoshi Nakamoto is still a mystery anyway, and he decided to just get rid of it, he could do it instantly. At that point, you might as well call it Buffett's coin. Or better yet, why not just create a whole new currency from scratch? As far as he can tell, Bitcoin has no use other than finding someone to buy it for more than you paid. Then that person has to find another buyer at an even higher price. It's a never-ending cycle that produces absolutely nothing. When you compare that to a productive asset, something that generates its own value, the difference is night and day. In the crypto market, the real winners are the ones collecting fees while people trade back and forth. Think about it. This market doesn't create anything. It's like a group of people in a room just passing the same money around. The total amount stays the same. The system doesn't generate a single new dollar. Besides, if Berkshire Hathaway wanted to launch Berkshire Coin, they could, but they'd run straight into a wall with the US government. Uncle Sam isn't about to let any other currency step in and replace the almighty dollar. Still, I'm willing to bet there are plenty of people who believe they know exactly what Bitcoin is good for, and they'd be more than happy to take all that Bitcoin off Warren Buffett's hands for a cool 25 bucks.